Gastos ba talaga ang marketing? Anak, alam mo, natuto akong mag-marketing nang naging licensee ako ng STI. Training center pa lang kami noon at hindi pa college. Matagal na yon. Required kasi ang marketing sa amin dahil napakagaling ng mga founders ng STI sa marketing. Kaya lang noon, kapag marketing na ang pinag-uusapan, ang first reaction ko, nako ay, gastos na naman. Ganyan ka din ba? Lagi kong tinitipid ang marketing budget. Kung pwedeng free or DIY lahat or do it yourself, nako, DIY na lang. Kaya ang ending, low quality ang mga gawa namin. Hindi professional ang dating. At worse, minsan, nakaka-damage pa sa brand image namin dahil napaka-chipipay ng aming gawa. And then I learned this lesson from a marketing mentor. Sabi niya, marketing is not an expense. It is an investment in growing your business. Doon nag-shift ang aking mindset. I started investing in good photos, quality content, and even got professional help. Yes, may cost, pero alam mo, ang balik naman ng results, amazing! Better brand image, more customers, higher sales. Ang lesson, anak, don't be afraid to invest in the right marketing collaterals at saka mga efforts para sa tamang marketing audience. Kapag tama ang investment natin, babalik yan in terms of sales and profits ng doble, triple, and even more. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.